Hello students, how are you? I think that this COVID-19 has caused a major problem for you students and teachers. But at any rate, we all have to stay at our houses to stay safe because life is very important. Due to this lockdown, we have started online studies through which you can continue your study to staying at your houses. We have studied one chapter of your biology book, your science book, that is the fundamental unit of life. The lesson has finished. If you have any problem, then you can write in comment box or you can contact to me. My contact number is given in WhatsApp group. Very easily you can contact to me. I think during classes we can do the practical works. It is not possible that due to this online study we can conduct the practical. Then one thing I want to say, that some activities about which I have discussed earlier, like the removal of onion peel and the study about the microscope. Microscope is not available here, but I will try my level best that whenever I will go to school, I will describe about the microscope. It is a pending topic, and one thing I also want to suggest to all of you that in exercise many questions are given, and you all have to do the exercise by yourself. I have given the answer also. I am sending the PDF of answer of exercise question. But first of all, you should try yourself to do the exercise and check yourself, because study is a way by which students learn. But how much students have learned, it is examined by the teachers. In this situation, we all are not together. Then what is the another way? We have to find the way. So the another way is that you all are with your parents. I request to your parents also that he should must check that what are you doing in these days. You are doing your study in a proper way or not, because many parents have made available of the smartphone or cell phone, due to which they can provide you a better environment for your study, because every parent wants that his ward can do better. Then it is the responsibility of wards also, students also, that he should also give his best for the satisfaction of his parents and teachers. In this situation, we should have to find the better way. Then what can we do? We can do our best in different ways. Due to this COVID-19, this type of situation has created, then we all have to face, and I pray to God that very soon this pandemic will over, and again we will continue our classes and clear all our confusions. But in this situation, there is only a way. Through this online study, we can solve our problem. In your book, many questions are given, and it is some typical. I have sent the PDF, and with the help of that PDF, you can solve your problem. We have to start our new chapter, that is the sixth chapter, and in this chapter we have to discuss about the tissue. Before starting that chapter, I want that this fifth chapter should be prepared in a proper way, and I will try my level best to clear your all the confusions, try to solve your problems, and for this I want that if there is any problem related to any topic, then you can write in comment box. It is available on YouTube channel, you know about it, that is AK Singh DBP. Very easily you can write your question in comment box, and I am sure that I will give you proper answer. And the other thing, that you all had to stay at your home, no need to go out to play outdoor games. For entertainment, you can choose the another option, like you can spend your time by watching TVs or by playing indoor games. But anyhow, we have to stay at our house. I hope that you all are happy with your parents. Thanks. Thanks very much. Do your best.